Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. I know it's been a while since I do any videos on this channel, and yeah, I know you guys miss the farming videos and you miss seeing the farm and so on, but to be honest, the farm mash up. It mash up. People and their goats. So you can see this section here that we started to mesh around. Didn't have enough mesh, so we have this little section here left, and what we had to do is just cut some maca, some of the catch of maca, and just block it off so the goats can't get in. Really and truly guys, it's people who actually know that we farming, we farm is here, and then just decide to let go them goat and don't care. And I mean, we invest a lot in the farm, and to see just go to goat mode just like that, it's not easy, and it's very disheartening, and it make you feel like stop. So I actually did stop. I have stopped. I am demotivated. Down here you can see where Scotty started to plant the sweet potatoes. The goat them come in, that's why the sweet potato looks like this, because it would have looked better. The goat them come in and the goat them yam it down. Them eat it, them bite it off like crazy, the slips. And so I just left it. See, we didn't do any more. I tell Scotty said just take a break. I'm just so disheartened. So I have to go fence it around. And right now I just don't have the cash to do that. May I tell you, when it's not one thing, it's the other. And the people that thief your things, the people that let go them animal in your farm. And it's like these neighbors, they know me. And they know that what I'm doing, you know. And not just for me, everybody's going to benefit. But you just have some individuals who at times it's like them just want to do things just to get you out, or try to get you out, because they just don't care. And what I decide to do is try to get it fenced around. So I don't know if there's anyone out there who, you know, can assist in fencing it around. I did this part already, and the one roll of fencing wire, they call it barbed wire, was for almost 15,000. And like the post, I can get the post because there's a lot of posts up there from the tree that we chopped down here, and we can get posts from the hill. But the main thing is to get the wires and the tacks. And there's a type of wire called hog wire, goat wire, one name like that, but it's square. I would want to get at least 3 rolls of that wire. Alright, so this is the farm. This is the, you can see the dry weather is on it. I haven't purchased any water in a while. I just left it alone because I was so disheartened with people, animals coming in the farm. And over here, let me show you where we had the red peas. This is string beans. All of this is string bean. Yeah, so my investment mash up, and so I don't have any money to continue, so it's just here. But this is string beans we planted here, and over that section we planted some string beans recently, some more string beans. Over here we have red peas. These red peas are drying down. Most of them dry down now. We just have to reap them. And at the top, up at the top there, we have the Irish potato, which will be harvested tomorrow. We're gonna harvest the Irish potato tomorrow because it's dried down, fully dried down now, and ready to harvest. You can't even see it, but when it's harvested, you'll see what we got out of the Irish potato. Yes guys, so this is one of the things about farming, you know. When things get rough, Because you know, not every time, as we say, you invest the money, it's gonna turn over the way you expect. But you just have to go back. Right now, there's no money to go back, so I have to just recoup and see what happened. But I'm here, guys. I'm here. Yeah, taking it one day at a time. To get an evaluator to evaluate the place is nearly $9,000. And then when you get the evaluator and they evaluate it, says $300,000 worth of damage. These people don't have 10 cents to give me. But I'm not going to even take it that far. I'm just going to get it fenced round. That's it. One day, someday,